NavigationDisk, and as you know, we are selling worldwide the official Japan remote keys. Today we are demonstrating how you can change your Japanese keys. Right now I have a 2017 Crown remote key, and I'm gonna demonstrate to you how you can open the stuff, the remote FOV key. It came from Japan auctions, and we sold this thing to Australian customer. So this is the demo, the demonstrations to how you can open this stuff. So it's a beautiful design. It's an official Crown logo, as you guys can see, intact and used. It needs to be reprogrammed. So first you need to, if you look at the bottom of this remote closely, you'll see this is a lock key, and there's an arrow showing that you have to press it over there and just slightly pull this stuff. Let me show you guys. So this is the key, FOV key is running over. So that is the key, FOV. So once you remove the key, there is a whole empty space. You need to press it over here like this way, and just press a little bit up, a little bit slightly up, so it will be put. You'll see a put sound, and you'll see such arrow, such sensor. It's 3 volts battery needed, as you can see, because the airline never recommend us to put the battery, so remove the battery. This is a pure sensor over here. Denso made, Japan. Have a look on that. This is finishing stuff. This is the remote key. So it goes here. And again, I'm just assembling the stuff. Remember, once you put it over there in the new shape, then you put back the FOV key. So very much easy. If you have still issues to how to install the battery and stuff, please feel free to reach out, comment us. We will show you guys. So we will keep making the video for you guys better understanding, so you guys will never lost. And this is all our knowledge we are sharing, and we love to share with the people around the globe, so they will understand why we are so much helpful. We always love customer, we always appreciate customer to get back to us with the questions, queries, so we can help them to be successful once they purchase their stuff. So that's all from the NavigationDisk demonstrations. I'm signing off, guys. Till then, Sharif. Bye bye.